The mission is to become a normal human being again in our primal nature, and not to be a modern day robot who is always glued on screens. That is why we are here. And I'm sure this mission might not be clear to some people because we have been brainwashed to believe that the modern technological devices, the modern innovations, the modern way of living is the best way. Of course, we want to live modern. We want to be civilized. We don't want to live like a caveman. But that doesn't reject the fact that we are still humans. We were designed to go out there and do things naturally, to build meaningful relationships, to spend time with loved ones, to eat natural, whole, single ingredient foods, to take a walk in nature, to enjoy our environment, to enjoy the way things were built naturally. It doesn't deny the fact that we are still humans. So why are we behaving like modern day retards? Why are we behaving like robots? I know this page will not get a lot of views. I know this page will not get a lot of recognition because most people are biased. They don't want to sit with reality. And here we are attacking the modern day bias when the modern day technology came is to make life easy. But it's creating addictions in you where you can't sit in your presence, where you can't sit in your own thoughts, where you can't sit with mindfulness without getting distracted by your phone. You want to see what's going on your phone. You want to see the news. You want to see the new trendy thing on social media. You now see that you're no longer a real human being. You're already becoming a robot. But it's bitter. It's just bitter truth. It's hard to hear such things online because we are all after the trend, the challenges, the social media news, the gossip, the gist. Everything is moving on social media. It's hard for you to see someone that will tell you the truth. Not that you shouldn't use modern devices, not that you shouldn't use mobile technology, not that you shouldn't use modern day development, but be intentional about your use. You are still a human being, and your human nature has not been erased. The nervous system is still the way it was thousands of years ago. The nervous system still wants you to go out there and meet your partner. Your nervous system still wants you to go out there and get food in the raw, natural form and make good food for yourself. Your nervous system still wants you to build something in real life. Your modern system still scans around for threat and danger. But today, all these things were made easy by the modern technology. So it's left to you to choose how to use these things. Do you want to use them for your convenience, or you want these things to replace your primal human nature? It's left to you, and we are preaching that you should reclaim your primal self, reject modern excess, and restore human balance. That is our mission. If the message resonates with you, then you are meant to be here. Welcome to the tribe.